In this video, I'm going to show you how to do French knots successfully every time. Those are the small flowers in this design. If you want to see how to do the big flowers, then just click on the card at the top right now and it'll take you to that video. I'm Christine of Christine's Crafts, and this channel is dedicated to crafting on a budget. I've got a short series of hand embroidery videos. I hope you enjoy them all. So the first thing we're going to talk about is embroidery hoops. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do French knots, and I won't be using an embroidery hoop, but I just wanted to show you the benefits of using one if you have access to one. Simply unscrew your hoop and take the inner circle and place it down on your work surface. Put your fabric on top and then press the outer circle back on. And you'll see that what it's doing is tightening your fabric. And this is to allow all your stitches to sit beautifully and lie flat. Tighten up the screw and then pull that fabric to make sure it's properly tight. You want it almost like a drum. And then finally tighten the screw back up again. And you'll see you get lovely neat work, so it's a really good idea. But if you were working, for example, on a pocket on some clothing, you wouldn't be able to do this. So I'm going to show you without. So decide where you want your French knot. Get your threaded needle and put it up through your fabric. Now you need a knot on the other side to make sure it doesn't pull through. And then crucially, take hold of your thread in the hand you don't hold the needle in. And then whilst holding it taut, put your needle in front and then wrap it round 2 or 3 times. It depends on the size of knot you want. Then feed the needle back in through very close to where you came out, but not the same hole. And then whilst holding onto that thread to keep it reasonably tight, pull it through and let it go, and a perfect knot should form. So let's do it again. Come up where you want your French knot and then take hold of your thread in the hand that doesn't have the needle in it. And then place your needle in front and then wrap it round 2 or 3 times, depending what size knot you want. Keep it reasonably tight and feed the needle back down through the fabric close to where you came out. Hold on to the yarn and then let it go through. One final one and you'll be away doing yours. So again, bring the needle up where you want your French knot to be, and then take the thread into the hand that you don't hold the needle with. Wrap it round 2 or 3 times. I mean, you can experiment with how big you want your knots to be, and then feed it back down through the fabric close to where you started. Now, if you hold that thread too tight, you can have trouble getting your needle through like I am here. Just loosen it off a little bit and then pull and it'll be fine. Just don't let go of your yarn altogether or you could end up with a big loop. And there you go. So good luck with your French knots. I hope you enjoy doing them and produce some fabulous embroidery. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe if you'd like to see more. If you want to watch the video that's on the screen now, that'll show you how to make the larger flowers and indeed the leaves. Thanks for watching.